How to transfer coin from bitget wallet to bitget exchange on PC. Now, first of all, make sure you are logged into your bitget account and make sure you have the bitget wallet extension on your browser. Now, to be able to send coin from bitget wallet to bitget exchange, open your bitget wallet and click on send. Now, from here, select the coin that you want to send, for example, TRX. Now, after that, here you need the wallet address. Now, go back to your bitget account, bitget exchange account. Now go here in the wallet icon. Now click on assets overview. Now from here, from the sidebar, click on spot, and now go to deposit and click on crypto. And now after that, select the TRX as you can see here, and now select the network, it's TRX. Now copy the wallet address and now go back to your bitget wallet extension. Now paste the address here and now enter the amount that you want to send. Now this is how, or now you are able to send TRX from or coin from bitget wallet to bitget exchange. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.